Do you charge or do you balance when you charge? You do the balance charge or just regular charge? Okay. We got to get new stars and bars. They blew off the insignia on the side.
Timer cleared.
Yep.
Gear up.
You can tell we got the same setup. Too slow? It's not the Hawk. Starts doing that wing wag though.
It only does that if I try and pull up at the same time. You want to do touch and go?
Time remaining
You can.
2 minutes.
Alright, touch and go.
And the space, give us a little space.
Gear down.
Kind of wobbly. Does it have like a gyro in it or no?
Nope, it's just the tail is
Kind of tippy.
weird. Yeah, but it flies really, really nicely.
Just gotta watch it wobble.
The wow, yeah, it's just,
That's your indication that it's going too slow.
yeah, but it's like, I mean, the touch and goes of this thing is so, it's
Slows down.
too much fun. Like, you could just like, I mean, it's just, it flies
Yeah, it's cool.
super, yeah, it's just the double rudder. Is
I
not,
bet if you put the gyro in it, it'd clean it up. $20 or
I feel like I'm cheating.
Yeah.
Nah, it's fun. Who are you cheating?
Time
Making your
remaining
thing
1
fly
minute.
better. It's not cheating.
Oh,
Wow!
You almost went off running.
The nose wouldn't come up.
Look at that thing. It's got like a loose ass.
Alright, let's see if I can do that again.
Profile, you can barely see it.
yeah, it's
Like a
you
skull.
gotta
30
keep, you
seconds.
need to like,
You gotta keep wiggling.
it does it for you.
Whoa! You and Rand love those things though.
Dude, wait, just see. Look at that thing wiggle, dude. It's like maybe it's two EDFs in it, two motors.
One, but the problem is the I
9,
can't figured out
8,
what the problem is.
7,
The double
6,
rudder
5,
that
4,
thing wiggles
3,
around a lot.
2.
But I thought you guys strengthened them.
Time expired.
It's still not the best.
Gear up.
It's still not.
Interesting, because the wings are dipping.
Yeah, it's, I don't know, it feels, but we abuse, this thing's supposed to be running 4S, we're running it on 6S.
It's so much happier though.
Like get a rocket.
We're running it on 6S with like a monster setup, so it's like,
That's right, you can't go slow with this one.
Oh, I can.
No, don't, because it's going to do that
Not
wobble
as
thing.
slow as the T-45. Alright, here, let's do a pass.
Okay, our usual, I'll be closest to us.
It's pretty slow.
That's pretty slow. Not slow enough for me to get into the high alpha nose
1
up though.
minute over.
I'm gonna hold it in high alpha for this one. Whoa, what was that? Whoa, what's that? What's it doing?
Off.
Yeah.
Gyro initialized.
Whoa. Weird air or something. It's doing weird stuff.
Dude, sorry.
It's doing the wiggle.
I was like, what the hell's that thing doing? Oh man.
How does it fly inverted?
It's pretty good. I don't do it very often, but it does do it, and it will fly inverted. This is the one that you said put a gyro in it, and I did.
Oh, you did? It
Yeah.
looks solid.
It's so much better
Look
now.
at that. It looks awesome.
2 minutes
Look at that.
over.
Yeah, it's way better.
My Avanti S, it doesn't do that great inverted. It takes a lot of
Yeah, a lot of
control
down.
with it. Yeah.
This one takes a little bit of down, not a whole lot. It'll hold it. But it's doing weird stuff right now.
Does it do knife edge pretty good?
No,
No.
it rolls. I'd have to
Does
mix
roll,
it out.
Does it roll clean or kind of barrel?
Well, see, that's rudder there, see?
Okay.
So it couples a little bit. But
Okay.
the roll's pretty good.
I like the Avanti. It's nice.
Oh, Avanti's a fun plane.
Yeah, it's
It's just meant for aerobatics.
yeah.
I don't know if it's the air or something else, but it's dropping a wing, which it's never done before. I'll just turn it up a little bit.
But you gotta keep flying.
Oh, I'm
Gear
flying.
down. 3 minutes over.
3 minutes over.
Yeah, no, I have it set for a smaller battery.
Oh, okay.
It'll go for 5 minutes like
I
this.
just have to say goodbye to your lipo.
I know. Lipo's dead.
You do?
Crazy guy. You and the wiggly tail. All right, all yours.
I've also thought of, like, Ron and I debated putting rudders in this thing.
I don't think they do what you want it to.
Yeah.
They probably, I don't know. The whole. Have you ever watched a real one fly on?